95 to 98% of brewed coffee is water. So to no one's surprise, quality is strongly influenced by the quality of the water used for brewing. The off flavors and disinfectants in tap water are mostly eliminated by boiling the water. So the main issue becomes water hardness. Hardness is the amount of calcium and magnesium carbonates that are dissolved in water. The US Geological survey, linked below, defines water hardness as shown on the table, soft water being less than 60 ppm and very hard water greater than 180 ppm. What am I working with? A quick search to the City of Louisville page shows me the history of drinking water, which I would love to read to you in my next ASMR video. Let me know. It seems that my tap water has a hardness of 130 ppm, so we'll test that out.